Have you ever played a game on your phone or tablet and it took forever to load or the video kept buffering? That's because your device is connected to a wireless network that isn't very fast. Well, 5G wireless networks are a new kind of wireless network that are much faster than the one you're probably using now. Imagine if your game loaded instantly and the video played without any pauses or interruptions. Now, you might have heard of 4G, which is a type of wireless network that lets you use your phone or tablet to connect to the internet. But 5G is a new kind of wireless network that's even faster and better than 4G. Think of it like a race. 4G is like running on a treadmill, you can go pretty fast, but there's a limit to how fast you can go. But 5G is like riding a rocket ship, you can go much faster, and there's no limit to how fast you can go. To understand how 5G networks work, let's compare them to 4G networks. 4G networks are like a two-lane highway, they can only handle a certain amount of traffic, data, at a time. But 5G networks are like a 10-lane highway, they can handle a lot more traffic, which means everything can move much faster. Think of it like a race. 4G is like running on a treadmill, you can go pretty fast, but there's a limit to how fast you can go. But 5G is like riding a rocket ship, you can go much faster, and there's no limit to how fast you can go. So, with 5G, everything will be much faster, you can download movies and games in just a few seconds, and video calls will be super smooth with no lag. Plus, 5G will make it possible for new kinds of devices to connect to the internet, like self-driving cars and smart cities. Several countries have already implemented 5G networks successfully. Here are some: South Korea, United States, China, United Kingdom, Australia. Now, you might be wondering how 5G networks will affect our environment. Well, the good news is that 5G networks are actually more energy efficient than 4G networks, which means they could help reduce our energy consumption and carbon footprint. However, some people are concerned about the infrastructure needed to support 5G networks, like more cell towers, which could impact natural habitats and wildlife. Overall, 5G networks are an exciting new development in wireless technology that will make our devices faster and more connected than ever before. Will we transform at 6G in future? Yes, it's likely that we will eventually see the development of 6G wireless networks in the future. While 5G is still in the process of being rolled out and expanded around the world, researchers and scientists are already exploring the potential for 6G technology. The idea behind 6G is to further increase data speeds and reduce latency, with the goal of enabling even more advanced applications and devices. Some of the potential features of 6G technology being explored by researchers include higher frequency bands, massive MIMO, multiple input, multiple output, antenna systems, and the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to optimize network performance. However, it's important to note that the development and implementation of 6G networks is still in the very early stages, and it could be several years or even decades before it becomes a reality. For now, the focus is on continuing to expand and improve 5G networks to support the growing demand for faster and more reliable wireless connectivity. Stay tuned!